I used to hide my smile quite a lot. I had taken to, in photographs, just putting on a pleasant face without showing any teeth at all. I decided to pursue this amount of dental work when the grinding had made it so that several of my front teeth were nearly gone back to the gums.
When Orin came to see us, he was really in search of a better smile. We realized that at the end of the day, we were just going to need to rebuild everything from the ground up. We started with getting a little bit more tooth structure. So we had to start with a minor surgery just to kind of expose more tooth that was underneath the gum tissue. From there, we lengthened everything. We got everything back to the proportions that we wanted it to. And we just gave the guy a new bite, a new smile, and in all honesty, I feel like we gave him a new lease on life.
The people here at City Smiles are very personable, and it feels very much like I'm getting very personalized treatment. They know me by name, they greet me when I arrive. I found out about City Smiles when I was researching ways to repair the damage caused by lots of nighttime grinding, and a Google search turned it up with lots of good information, positive experiences. I can recommend City Smiles to anyone who thinks this might be the right place.